Pedagogical University, named after Alkay Margulan, was founded in 1962 as Pedagogical Institute. Today, Alkay Margulan University is the only pedagogical institution in the Irtis Bayan region. In 2017, the institute was granted university status, and in 2022, on the eve of its 60th anniversary, it was renamed in honor of Alkay Margulan, the founder of Kazakh archaeology and an outstanding scientist and academician. Margulan University is comprised of 4 higher schools: natural science, humanities, pedagogy, and arts and sports. The university offers 68 educational programs in the pedagogical field, including 42 undergraduate specialties, 17 master's specialties, and 9 doctoral specialties. Currently, more than 5,000 students are enrolled. The university has also reopened its preparatory faculty, accepting 30 Kazakh students from abroad. It includes a higher college named after Musahan Kanapyanov and an institute of archaeological research, as well as 4 research centers. Margulan University maintains partnerships with secondary schools and has established cooperation agreements with the universities in Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Hong Kong, Korea, and Germany. Additionally, it signed a memorandum with the universities in Lithuania, Turkey, and Uzbekistan for a dual diploma program, and implemented bilateral agreements with the universities in Turkey and Greece for the Erasmus program. In the past year, in addition to academic achievements, the university has made significant strides in research, social activities, and sports. Margulan University was one of 4 universities to implement an integrated GPA system, and its success has led to plans for its adoption by all educational institutions in the country. This year, in celebration of Nowruz, a new student service center and lobby were opened in the main academic building. This expansion, which increased the entrance foyer to 500 square meters, provides a range of modern services, including a co-working space and a student service center. Margulan University continues to pave the way for a bright future.